Two men accused of kidnapping two women and later robbing a Guntersville jewelry store were in court today for an Annaya's Law hearing. Police say on March 28th, Andre Bergen and Jonathan Banks kidnapped two women, stole their van, and drove it to Guntersville to rob a jewelry store.
So the hearing today was for a judge to decide based on several factors, including the evidence and previous criminal history, whether the defendants should be granted bond. News 19 investigative reporter Dallas Parker joins us from the Marshall County Courthouse with the latest in this.
That's right. We heard new details of the alleged crimes the suspects are accused of committing. Police say Jonathan Banks and Andre Bergens are responsible. Prosecutors say they should be held without bond, and a Guntersville police investigator say the crime spanned from the Birmingham area to Guntersville and back to that area, but the judge did not make a decision here today as to that bond. Earlier this afternoon, though, the two suspects were escorted into a Marshall County courtroom. The hearing took less than an hour, and the state offered a single witness, a Guntersville police investigator, and he testified he reviewed security footage from a gas station in Brighton, the Walmart here in Guntersville, and Griffin's jewelry store also here in Guntersville the day it was robbed. That's March 28th. The investigator described his investigation, and he testified security footage from a Brighton gas station showed two women being forced into a white minivan by two masked males. The same van was used during the commission of the robbery at the Guntersville jewelry store. The investigator says after the robbery, the men abandoned the vehicle, and the two women, he said they had been zip tied and had their mouths covered with duct tape. The police ran the van's registration, and it was registered to the family of those two women. They were actually selling tamales out of the van in Brighton. The investigator said they found a Walmart receipt for zip ties, chains, tape located in a car registered to one of the suspects. Investigators also identified Banks as the man who purchased the items through Walmart's security camera footage. The investigator also said utility vests were worn by suspects in that jewelry store robbery caught on security camera. They were found in the white van after the women called the police. And the investigator says Bergen's cell phone location data placed him at every stop of the alleged crimes throughout that day, again, March 28th. Defense attorneys for both of the men say they should be granted bond because the evidence against their clients is insufficient, and they would like for them to have ankle monitors if they are released. Now, the state argues the two men are known criminals in the state, and they should be treated as such. The judge in the case says he will issue an order as to those potential bonds coming tomorrow morning. From now, reporting live from the Marshall County Courthouse, I'm Dallas Parker, News 19.